In this video we will create another item that uses square meter for calculations. So we're going to create pricing for block mounts. To do this I'm going to create 3 new items. Remember, iframe is versatile and you can set it up how you like. You may just want to create one item that will cover the 3 items I'm going to create. It's entirely up to you on how you set your pricing up. The first item I'm going to set up for my block mounts is a backing using 9mm custom board. So I click on the items tab, click add a new item, click on backings. I'll make my code 9mm custom board, or CB for custom board, and the description 9mm custom board. Unit is in a square meter. At this stage I won't worry about the supplier, but later you can add your local supplier for your custom board. Okay, so I'm also going to skip the stock and go straight into backing. Here I want to set the size I buy the sheets in. I'll leave this unit as a meter and enter 2.44 and height 1.22. I'll skip the visual and click on the buy to enter buy price per sheet, cost price per sheet. Through this example I'll enter $45 for the cost price. Now click on sell. I think for this example I'll leave it on default and let the markups in the main settings for backings apply. I'll also leave the default for wastage as well. Click save. And this is the first of the 3 items. Next, click the plus symbol to add another new item. This time I click on glass as I want to add laminating. For my code I'll call this S laminate. And the description satin laminate. Again, I'll leave the unit as square meter, go to the glass and enter a size. If you do your own laminating, you can enter the maximum width of the roll you purchase and a length that you are willing to go to. Or you may just leave it as a 1 meter square, which is what I'm going to do in this case. If you know the cost per meter, enter it under the buy price. I'm going to enter $22. As I contract a lot of our laminating out, and this is what we are charged for our square meter price. For the sell price and wastage, I'm also going to leave the markup based on the main glass settings. So click save. And then click the plus symbol to add our last item. Click on other this time. For our code, let's enter BMSTD. And the description, block mount standard edges. You may want to add other types of block mounts such as block mount routed edges as well. Change your unit to square meter. I'm going to skip everything and go straight to the sell price. Here I'm going to do a break, as in breakdown by size. I'm going to click the plus symbol next to the markup 4 times. Next I want to enter my size ranges in the first column. Remember to enter your sizes in square meters. For this example I'm going to keep it simple, so I'll enter 0 as our base unit. Next 0.25 square meters, 0.5 square meters, 0.75 square meters. I'll add one more for anything over 1 square meter. For price I'm going to add a sell price for each size range. So between 0 and 0.25 square meter I'm going to have a $40 charge for my block mount. And just to make this simple, we'll just mark these up in $20 increments. So basically anything over 1 square metre has a $120 block mount charge applied. But to make sure that it's applied in those ranges, we need to change our markup to a step. So this knows to step it out in those prices. Okay. Step basically means that any size with it in that range will be sold at that price. For example, if the size is 0.1 square metre, then it will charge $40, the same as if it was 0.01 square metre, as it is in the range from 0 to 0.25 square metres. Let's click Save and see an example of our new item in an actual sale.